Wahota gwiciria ruru ni rui no ni macungiririo ma mwaraho uria urarehirwo ni mbura iria irathandanite hwai wa ira o nginyagia mathaa ma utuku ikihingiriria andu aingi aria marari ihenyene ria kuinuka. Ngari imwe ni iraremagirirwo ni uingi wa mai maria mararahite barabara-ini itiganite, no imwe ironekana ikigiginyana o nginya ikaumira igitigaria kung'ethanira na muhatikano wa ngari. Kuringana na gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Sonko uria urathiaga miena itiganite ya Nairobi kurora gikiro kia hathara ya mbura, hau kabere riria mbura nene yaura muno mathaa ma utuku ni gwakoragwo na hathara nene cia andu guthererio ni mai nginyagia ngari nene, aingi magitigwo na kiriro kia muruki muru wa mai thutha wa mbura teo.
Nadhani mnakumbuka previous years what used to happen in Nairobi. Kulikuwa na vifo mingi sana, watu walikuwa wanabebwa na floods. But during the last 2 years, we only had one death of an infant from Kibra.
We've been in Embakasi South the whole day, so we are going round even as we speak, just to make sure that Nairobi residents are safe.
Sonko niaranire kugathika mitaratara ya kugitira aikari a muci munene wa Nairobi na icigirira ciaguo muno riria mbura teno yaura, akiuga we na afitha ake agukinyiria aikari a Nairobi uteithio riria kwaraha ni mamenyete miena iria kaingi egumagirwo ni mbura nene ta Embakasi na South Sea, na ni meranire gutamburukia guoko gwa uteithio kuri miena iyo nengi.
The flooding has been controlled, and we have also confirmed where the problem is. The problem is with the drainage. Whoever did this road messed with the drainage, and we have identified it. As you can see, our teams from Nairobi Water, they are here and they are working on the where the problem is.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi ni ireire aikari ya Nairobi ni gutigirira matiri ugwati-ini wa gutungwo ni hathara iria irehagwo ni mbura riria yaneneha kugerera mitaratara ya thirikari ya kaunti ino ya kung'ethanira na ugwati. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Gladys wa Njohi.